One hot day, an ant was searching for some water. After walking around for some time, she came to a riverbank. To reach the water, she came forward and slipped and fell into the water. She could have drowned if a dove sitting on a nearby tree had not seen her. Seeing that the ant was in trouble, the dove quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it into the water near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up onto it. Soon, the leaf drifted to dry ground, and the ant jumped out. She was safe at last. Just at that time, a hunter nearby was aiming on the dove, hoping to kill it. Guessing what he was about to do, the ant quickly bit him on the feet. Feeling the pain, the hunter missed his arrow. The dove was quick to fly away to safety. Dear kids, the moral of this story is that one good turn begets another. For more interesting and moral stories like this, please like and subscribe.